What if I told you that ChatGPT can basically plan your next project end to end in under 5 minutes? Not just give you ideas, I'm talking about full on clear timelines, task assignments, risk assessments, the whole map generated with AI and fully organized inside a dedicated project space you could build on as you go on. So this isn't a productivity tip. It's how I turn rough ideas into structured plans without ever opening a blank document. So let me give you the exact system that I use and you can copy today and begin to use it for your own project. Open ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, there's something called the project workspace. Okay, if you click on project, let's go there now. If you haven't used it, this is where things kind of level up. Instead of a one-off chat, this time you can create a full um, workspace inside ChatGPT that stays organized. You can even drop in your project, give it details, give it instructions, upload documents, link your brand guidelines, pasting in client info, goals, timelines, spreadsheets, all of it. You can put it within that space. Think of it like a mini project room where everything lives, where when you think about your daily standard, this is where you're not starting from scratch, right? Every time you come here, you're set up one time and you're ready to go. And once it's set up, I use a 4-step prompt flow to generate what I need really fast. Here's how I do that. Here's the system I use inside the project space. Step 1, I ask ChatGPT to act like a certified project manager. That sets the tone. You're not getting generic advice, you're speaking to a trained pro now. You see, step 2, I impute the key details that I need. This is your brief. This is where you tell ChatGPT what's the goal, who's on the team, what's the timeline, what's the budget. Drop it into the thread or into the project files and it stays there forever. Step 3, ask for real outputs, not ideas. So I ask for timelines, task breakdowns, team assignments, risk flags. You can ask for it in a format that works for you. Either table view, checklist, even in sprint format if you're going the agile way, right? Step 4, refine and build. See, ChatGPT remembers a thread within your project space, so you're not like starting again. You can build on it, tweak the scope, add complexity, shift priorities. You're not resetting the chat. You're you're iterating inside your system. So it's not like you're starting everything afresh every time. It's continuing from point A to B to C. It's the way you set it up, and you can even adjust as the need arises. Okay, here's a real example. Let's say I'm planning a marketing campaign for, say, an app that inside my ChatGPT project, I'll drop this prompt. You can paste this in, directly in and just have it take control. As an expert project manager with PMP certification, my app launches, I don't know, 10,000 downloads a day in 30 days. My team has 3 marketers, 1 designers. My budget is $5,000. I have a remote team. Please provide the following. And then you can go into details of 5-phase timeline, task by role, 3 risk and mitigation strategies for each identified risk. Format it in a table. I can paste into Google Sheets for easy management, right? So, and just like that, I've got a mini Gantt chart with task breakdowns, a clear risk assessment with solutions. I copy it into Google Sheets and we're off. We're ready to go. So if you want to make this agile, even you can just say reformat this as sprints with user stories. You can even instruct it to be more Scrum friendly. You've got a Scrum roadmap without building it from scratch. So this is where I'll indulge you to go practice this. I used this exact process with a client launch recently. It went from a brain dump to a structured plan, full timeline, clear deliverables, and we did all of this inside 10 minutes. And I shared the Google Sheet, assigned the owners, and everything moved. The biggest unlock here, we didn't get stuck in what we do next. We had a project manager, ChatGPT, planning for us. The project ran smoother because we were front loaded with clarity. So, here is how you can begin to implement this. You want to try this on your next project? I can drop the complete plug and play here. Just DM me PM hack and I'll send you the doc structured for you to implement right away. If you're building inside ChatGPT Projects already, tell me how you're already using this. I want to learn, and maybe we can learn some new ways to help each other. I'm sharing more tips like this and more setups and prompts every week. Follow for more. Links in the bio.